Let's take a closer look at the ongoing operations at Area 419 and the seamless integration of our RoboTrex 2-cart system. Each morning, the Area 419 staff efficiently unloads the finished product from the previous night. A simple turn of the wrench readies the machine part for offloading. Pre-stamping the next night's batch is made quick and easy with LANG's macro grip stamping technology, allowing their employees to prepare saw-cut bar stock in a matter of seconds. The stamped center mark facilitates easy and accurate locating. Remarkably, all of this can be accomplished while the first shift machine operator manages the loading, cleaning, and unloading of their larger parts, ensuring no disruption to their quality of production. RoboTrex utilizes LANG 0-point plates and tooling, which makes changeover from manual operation to full automation mode very quick and easy, minimizing machine downtime and maximizing your return on investment. Featuring an intuitive color touchscreen interface, our system is not only operator-friendly, but also incredibly easy to learn. Our RoboTrex system loads the vices and secures it to your machine table. With up to 42 vices per cart, the CNC machine can run unsupervised throughout the night. RoboTrex system efficiently removes the finished product and safely places it in the cart. Metalcraft Automation Group. We make automation easy.